My biggest piece of advice, if you are looking to scale your cleaning business, looking to keep growing it, is to find people that know more than you. The trouble is, if you're doing this for the first time, you've never done it before. So how are you supposed to know what to do? And the truth is, you don't. So you've got a couple of options. You either go at it alone and you make a ton of mistakes, and eventually you'll figure out what does and doesn't work just through trial and error. Option number 2 is you go online into Facebook groups and YouTube videos and on forums and Reddit and all that sort of stuff. The third option really is to find someone like myself who's kind of been there and done it, who's got a history of being in the cleaning industry in various roles, from the ground all the way to the top as the MD, who's worked with, at this point, hundreds of cleaning companies, has a really great track record, plenty of video testimonials, written testimonials, loads of evidence of people that I've worked with who are prominent in the industry, who can say great things about what we do and how we helped them.